Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing two smart home locks, the Yale Assure Lock 2 and the Kwikset Halo Touch. The big question today is, which one is more user-friendly? Let's find out. The Yale Assure Lock 2 offers an easy-to-use interface with its keypad and mobile app control. It can be locked and unlocked via a smartphone or a traditional key, and it integrates seamlessly with smart home systems like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. Setting up the lock is simple, and the Yale app provides intuitive control over user permissions, allowing you to grant or revoke access with ease. Its keypad is well lit and responsive, making it convenient for use day or night. On the other hand, the Kwikset Halo Touch stands out with its fingerprint sensor, allowing for a quick and secure way to unlock the door. The Halo Touch also supports remote access via the Kwikset app, and it's compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. The setup process is user-friendly, and the fingerprint recognition is fast and reliable, adding an extra layer of convenience for those who prefer biometric access over traditional keypads. Which one is more user-friendly? The Kwikset Halo Touch may have the edge when it comes to ease of use, thanks to its fingerprint sensor that eliminates the need for codes or keys. However, the Yale Assure Lock 2 offers great flexibility with its keypad and smartphone app, making it a fantastic option for those who prefer a more traditional approach. Which one would you choose for user-friendliness? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons. See you in the next one.